Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'm going to show you on how to delete Microsoft Outlook in Windows PC. So let's see. So the very first thing you need to do is simply come down below right here where you have your start menu. Right click on it and then simply go to settings. Then the next thing you need to do is simply go to accounts. It's take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply go to email and accounts. It take you right here. Next thing you need to do is simply select the Outlook mail, then click on manage, then take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on delete account from this device. If you delete this account, all content associated with it will be removed from this device. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply come down below right here, click on delete, and in a few seconds the account will be deleted from your device. Your account has been successfully deleted, just like what you see right here. Next thing you need to do is simply come down below right here, click on done, and it's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply delete Microsoft Outlook from your Windows PC. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.